Hi, hello, good morning to everyone. This is Vedic Astrologer talking from the page of Vedic Guruji page. My name is Hariharan. If you want personal readings, then please contact me at through www.vedicguruji/Hariharan. If you want free readings, then now you may send your message. I have to take within seconds. And who got the Sarat batch? Those peoples for those peoples I need to give free readings. So, and once again I tell to you, don't lose your Sarat batch. Keep on resend your message here. At the time I've taken your question. So I'm waiting for taking. First member is who? Any doubt you may ask here. Feel free. Okay. Yeah, Manish Sautriji. So who got the Sarat batch? I need to take, and at least you need to share my video 5 to 10 groups, then only you. Yeah, Arura Rasi ji got the Sarat batch. Nikita Setti ji. Okay, 25/8 Arura ji 25. I am taking yours 25/8 81, right? 1981 morning 6:15. Morning 6:15. Chamba, Himachal. Wait, system is loading. Okay, Arura ji, what about job and baby? Okay. System is very slow. Sorry, network is not connecting. Wait, 2 minutes. Wait. Okay. Universe Libra Lagna, right? Arura Rasi ji. Asking about 5th with 12th house. Okay. Job also you asking, and see your 10th lord at 12th house. No any problem here. It's very good. Okay. and 10th lord with second lord at 11th house is very good indication. But your Lagnes is placed second house Scorpio. Today Ketu is on your Lagnes, so which is the problem? Slightly struggle about money floating in your hands. So please deactivate to your Ketu, then sure you get good job in career. And you asking about baby, right? See, 12th at which nakshatra is moon nakshatra only. Moon is the 10th house. 10th have Ragu. Okay. Here one karma is there. Pending karma is there Ragu in your horoscope. See, Sunny is the 5th lord. 5th lord at moon nakshatra. The moon at moon house. Then need to see the moon house first. The moon house, one male peak is there. Okay, that male peak is Ragu. So you better you go you do puja against Kala Sarpa dosha. Okay, because only the reason your 5th lord with Cancer lord moon. Okay, in moon house have Ragu, so which is clearly indicate Ragu or Ketu is placed in Cancer house. Then Cancer lord moon is with your fifth lord. Then also indirectly give the struggle for taking baby. Okay, so please deactivate your Ragu. If you want job easily, then deactivate to Ragu Ketu also. Okay, you must deactivate Ketu and Ragu here. Then you good in your job and good in getting the childbirth. Okay, thank you. And any doubt, please connect me for personal readings. I am waiting for you. At any time you call and connect through our Vedic Guruji app. My name is Hariharan. I have 20 years experience in this line. Okay, another one I am taking. Okay, Balram Gautam is there. Nikita, yes. Nikita, yes. I am taking yours. What about career, right? And is it possible to settle in foreign in future? Okay. Nikita ji, I am taking yours. 14 September 1992 3:58 AM. And which place you birth amidst? AMRI, yes. Nikita, yes. About career. See, you are a Cancer lord. Cancer lord is placed in Pisces, is very good indication, and which is viewed by your Guru, 9th lord Guru, but with debilitated Venus. See, debilitated Venus also viewed to your moon, your Lagnes moon, with sign lord Guru. You have the Gajakeshkari yoga, but only the problem, your Venus is your problem, but no need to worry. After 25th year, automatically your Venus is matured in your horoscope, and you are asking about the foreign settlement, right? In foreign is 12th, 8th, is 7th and 3rd, 4th house. See, 4th house is debilitated. you have more chances, because fourth lord is viewed to your lagnes moon, which is very good indication to going. But only the problem, your Venus is depleted. Fourth also is very important for foreign settlement. See, fourth and eighth, fourth, eighth, 12th, who have good position, those people highly in foreign settlements. Here fourth lord is depleted. Okay, that is only the problem. So you need to activate your lagnes here, because your lagnes is viewed by Venus is good, but depleted Venus is viewed is not good for your horoscope. Okay, thank you. And another I want to take Pallab Chaudhary ji. I am taking yours. And who got the Sarat badge, please resend your message until don't waste your Sarat badge. At any time I taking yours. So please hold on. 311 88 Chaudhary ji, Pallab Chaudhary ji, I am taking yours. 6:15 AM. Place Silchar, Assam. Silchar, Assam. Yes. 3/11/1988, 6:15 AM. Place Silchar. Okay. Your question: how will be my loan consultancy business and grocery store? Will I be successful in life? Okay. The loan, you are asking about loan, right? Your 8th lord is depleted 12th house, but no any problem here, very good. And which is viewed by your 6th lord. Your 6th and 8th is connectivity is very good, but in your lagna, in your lagnes, by you taking the by you take as the lagnes Venus is lagnes 2. Okay, 8th lord also. See, if you take the lagnes, then lagnes here is got parivartana between Buddha, is very good indication. Okay, for loan settlement. But only the reason here your Venus is depleted in your chart also, and viewed by 2nd lord. 8th lord and 2nd lord is viewed together, is not so good, but no need to worry. Here your guru is viewed to your lagnesh. Okay, in your lifetime you have that loan consultancy. Okay, is very good. And which guru is viewed to your 2nd house also, is very good indication. Money floating is good. Only the problem, your 3rd lord is placed 8th house. 8th house lord is Venus is depleted. So agreement time is very important. You must take properly take agreement to peoples, between the peoples, then you give money and take money, which is very good. Because your guru is viewed to 2nd house, no problem, but 3rd lord guru is here very weak. Okay, because of Venus, guru sign lord is Venus is depleted. So why I am telling to you, just you activate your lagnes. Okay, thank you. And Kavita ji, Kavita Naidu. Okay, I am taking yours. Kavita ji, 28/11 84 8:50 PM. South Africa, Johannesburg. Okay. Square. NES. Wait. JOHANN. Wait, searching. Want to know about my career and finance? Okay. About finance you are asking, right? Second Lord Moon. Second Lord Moon at 8th house. Here the problem, but no need to worry. With second Lord and 11th Lord is placed same house. Is very good. And second Lord, where second Lord is 8th house is placed with 11th Lord Mars, exalted Mars is very good indication. And Capricorn, if your second Lord Moon is placed in Capricorn and Capricorn Lord Sunny is exalted, is very good indication in your horoscope. And fifth Lord with seventh Lord 2 is very good. Financial improvement is very highly, very good indication. Only the problem, the second Lord is opposite axis, seated in opposite axis, and sixth Lord 2 Mars is. So second half of your life very good settlement is there. And after 36-37 year, your Sunny, exalted Sunny is matured, is very nice in your horoscope. Up to 37 years you got some struggles in life, but after 37-38 is very good in your horoscope. And career, 10th Lord and 7th house with Buddha, your Lagnes Buddha is very good indication to career also. Last 1.5 year, 2 years you have struggle in your life, I know, but in coming days is very good. No need to take remedy for this horoscope, because all those are clearly outed, sort out from your horoscope. So no need to take any remedy. Only the thing, your second Lord is placed at 8th house. Only you need to push up your moon. Okay, otherwise no need to any remedy. Thank you. And Hina now. So taking Hina Ji. Hina Viraji. Your date of birth is 1/10/72, right? When will my relationship with Suresh be good? Okay, Inaji, your place of birth. You send Inaji place of birth as well as your time of birth also I need. Otherwise I am taking others. Okay, you don't have time of birth, then wait, I do Prasanna. I do Prasanna and tell you. I make the Prasanna for you, relationship matter, right? See, you were today asking Aries Lagna. Lagna is there only, and Aries Lord is viewed to relationship house, Libra house. Libra Lord is 9th house, is very good indication. You have luck in this time. Okay, is very good. But only the problem, your Mars Kujadosa is there you are asking 10, Kujadosha is there, and the second lord is at 9th house, is no any problem. But you are asking time, Ragu is second place, second house is there, so you need to deactivate your Ragu, and you must activate to your Mars, because Mars, you are asking time, Mars is viewed to your Libra house, so relationship house. From Kalapusha house is relationship house, Libra only. So you need to deactivate your Ragu and activate to your Mars, is then very good life. Okay, and more information you want, then please connect me for personal readings through our Vedic Guruji app. My name is Hariharan. Okay, no problem, no need now, which is clearly indicated in the Prasanna horoscope. Okay, thank you. Another I want to take. Kavita ji, thank you, welcome. Thanks your blessing. Hina ji, I am telling, I told na, this is the problem. You asking time, Mars as the Lagnes, Mars is viewed to 7th house, some short temper indication this is, and second placing Ragu. So you must deactivate your Ragu and activate your Mars, then you got good result in your life. So how you don't know how to deactivate and activate, you don't know, just you contact me for personal via our Vedic Guruji app, then I tell you how to deactivate and activate your Mars. So this matter you tell in that time, because this is the Prasanna chart I told. Okay, that's why I am telling to you. If you want more information, then contact me. Okay, I take another's. Okay. Marriage happen. When will the marriage happen? How it will be? Okay, Sanya. 1810. 1995. (1995) 9:28 p.m. Narayani ji, you are taking yours. 9:28. Nagpur. Wait, system is loading. Maharashtra, right? About marriage, you are asking. Which is the good indication in your horoscope. In your horoscope, no any problem. Only the problem, your Guru, 7th Lord Guru with Mars, 6th house. Okay. In your horoscope, see, 9th Lord is placed 9th only. Lagnes is exalted, and Venus 5th house. 5th house Venus is very very good. No any problem in your horoscope. Only the problem, your 7th Lord with Mars, which is slightly gives Kuja dosha, because your Kuja is viewed to your Lagna. Okay, so you need to take the remedy for deactivate your Mars. And see, your Panchama is Sukra also is good position. 5th Lord at 5th house only is very very good. No any doubt. Only the problem, 5th house have some Ravi. Malefic Ravi. Malefic Ravi means deblated Ravi for your deblated Ravi here. So you need to go temple. Your Kuladevata, go to temple Kuladevata and you deactivate your Mars. Okay, then you do Parigara remedy for your Mars as well as Guru, then you definitely good settlement in your life. Okay, no need to worry. Any other temples you no need to take, because here Lagnes and Panchames and ninth Lord Sunny, the three places are very good, excellent horoscope to this. Once again I tell to you, only the problem your fifth house with debilitated Ravi. Okay, you must go Kuladevata and take remedy for your Mars, because sixth Lord is no any problem, sixth house only there, and your Guru seventh Lord with Mars, which is the big indication well at late marriage or some distract with your husband. So don't do early marriage. After 29th year you do marriage is good. Before that you must deactivate your Mars. Okay, activate your Panchames is very good. After you get good. Okay, I am taking another. If you want more information, just connect me for personal readings. And who don't know activate is how deactivate the process, the planets is very important. Before doing any remedy, you must know which planet is deactivate and activate. That must you know, then only you do remedy. Afterwards only you are doing you are taking remedy at all work properly in astrology. And Varma ji, Himachal Pradesh, I'm the computer engineer. I'm career कैसे लगे है? Okay, wait. Varma ji, 15/8/2004. 3:25 PM. Himachal Pradesh. Eight system is loading. We're asking carrier, right? So 10th Lord at 9th is very good indication in your horoscope. No any problem, and only the problem your 9th Lord Ravi with Moon. The Moon is 21st degree and 28th degree is Ravi, and both are in your 10th Lord Buddha Nakshatra only. Very good indication, but late career settlement. You may do business in future. You have the good hand, business hand in yours, which is showing good, rightly. You takes place, business is good. Don't go any job under anyone, which is the good business horoscope. But after 32nd year only you get good improvement in your life. Okay, once you takes place the marriage after your Sunny is matured, because 7th house placing Sunny is directional strength given to your Capricorn, 2nd Lord Dana floating in your hand. Then must you takes place marriage, then only your second house is activated in your horoscope. Okay, after 32nd year you get good improvement in your business at all. Okay, before you don't get so good, but no problem, you are a very talented person, I know. Okay, thank you. And more information you need, just contact me for personal readings. Vansika Pujari. Okay, Vansika Pujari, I'm taking 7, 10. Once again I tell to you, who got the Sarat batch, keep on sending your message. At a time only I need to take. So I am telling to you, don't lose your Sarat batch. 9 p.m. Mumbai. So Kumbha Lagna, you are asking about what? Financial growth, right? When will I get financial growth in life, and how would my financial situation be in future? Vansika Pujari. Okay. In 2nd and 11th Lord, Guru, asking time, transit side, Guru is depleted. Now from 1.5 or 2 years, we are not so good, no, are not happy against money, but now 19-year-old only you, no need to worry. Your 6th Lord is placed first house, and which is the trine to 6th and 10th, trine to your Lagna placing moon, which is a very good indication. After 25th year, you get good improvement financially. Yes, because only the reason you have the Lakshmi Yoga, because of Guru with Rahu with Venus, and which 3 planets are trying to your 6th Lord moon. This is like Rama horoscope slightly, yeah, because 6th Rahu have Rama, likewise yours horoscope only. Here the placement is changed. 6th Lord is connectivity to Rahu. Okay, that is also same thing. And one special is notification here. 5th house have Venus, Guru, okay, which is trying to your moon, which is very good indication. After 25th year, you get good financial improvement in your life. No need to worry about anything in your life. You have the lot of goodness is there. And see here, 10th Lord also connectivity to Venus, Guru, Mars, right? And this Mars is viewed to your moon, is very good yoga. After 29th you have good, very good horoscope. No need to worry about your financial. Okay, only you need to take the remedy only for your Lagnes, because Lagnes is viewed by male fig Mars. This is the problem. Okay, this only point is problem in your horoscope. The properly you did not get anything before getting some hard work. Okay, this is the indication. Your Mars in your horoscope, Mars is directly viewed to Sunny, and Sunny is directly viewed to your Mars. This only you can't deactivate your Mars, because the 10th Lord, Mars is 10th Lord and Sunny is the Lagnes. Okay, here Mars is get the Digbal. Here Mars only the winner, compared to your Sunny Lagnesh. Sunny is very weak here, so you need to boost up your Sunny, then you get success in your life. No beatable in your family, you have good name in society after you taking remedy to your Lagnesh. Okay, thank you. Vasika Puchari ji, thank you. Tanushree, okay. Pavan Durila, okay, I'm scrolling. Arman Love, I'm taking Arman Love. And more information you need, then please connect me for personal readings through our app, Vedic Guruji app. My name is Hariharan. Hello sir, please reply my question. When will my sister get her own house? Her DOB is 1998. Okay, you don't know the timings of your sister? Harman Lauji, please send your time of birth and place of birth to your sisters. I need to take you. Okay, I take Prasanna for your question. Wait. Okay, no problem. I take Prasanna. I'm taking Prasanna. And so many people asking at a time. I can't take 3-4 system. I don't have, only one system is in my hand. So I can't take at a time 4-5 persons. So please understand, cooperate for free readings. You asking time. Venus is the 8th house, 8th placing, and 8th lord is deblated Guru asking time, and the 4th house with Sunny, which is very good indication. After 36th year, which is indicate after 36th year only own house your sister have. So please don't take bad this. This is the indication. Prasanna time, Lagnesh is placed 8th house, is very hardly struggle takes place for house at all. And Venus is Sagittarius lord is depleted, which is perfectly indicate it makes some late. Okay, thank you. Tanushree, please send your once again. I want to take yours. So you are not present, then I am taking another. Okay, Hina Viratji, I placed Prasanna instead of your horoscope, which is good indicating Prasanna. Prasanna side, Mars is troubling and Ragu is, you must need to deactivate your Mars, deactivate your Ragu and activate your Mars, then is very good, very smoothly life you have in relationship, which is indicate some short temper between both of you. I told you and already this matter. Okay, Ashutosh Singh, I'm taking Ashutosh Singh. Wait. Wait a minute. Nine, 8. And who wants my readings? If you want personal reading, then please connect me at Vedic Guruji app at Hariharan. I am a Vedic astrologer. 8th month 9/8/81. Sitapur, UP. Okay, Sitapur, UP. Timing 9:30 AM. Okay, Tanushree, wait. I am taking your next years only, which is fixed. No need to worry. Aswatha Singh's now. What about your financial situation? कब तक better होगी? Teaching exam clear होगा मेरा 2021 में. Okay, I am asking about money, financial situation, right? Your second lord in your horoscope placed 11th house is very good indication. No need to worry about your financial, but you are asking time. Second lord Guru is debilitated, in transit side. Second lord Guru is debilitated, but no need to worry. Your 11th lord Buddha with Guru, second lord. Okay, second and 11th lord placing Capricorn, and Capricorn lord there only today, which is a very good indication. So just you go far from your home, then good earnings is waiting for you. Okay, and only the problem in your horoscope today asking time, Rahu Ketu is placed in your Lagna 7th house. Okay, and 10th lord at 11th is very good indication for you are asking teaching exam. Okay, and the 6th lord is placing today transit start Aries there only, very good. You may clear in this year only, no need to worry. Just you deactivate to your Rahu Ketu, then very good in your horoscope. Okay, thank you. Tanushree. Tanushree, my son Arav 14/10/2005, time 1:55, Dehradun. Madai में कैसे रहेगा? Will he be to crack IIT in 2023, where he will study in India or abroad? Life कैसे आगे? Okay, about education you are asking, right? 14/10/2005, time 1:55 PM. Dehradun. Okay, your son is Arav. Tanushree, you are present. I am taking yours only. About education, present age is 15 years, 16th running, and Lagna is Capricorn. Lagna is placed in 7th house, and second moon placing second moon is got the Parivartana, right? Is very good indication. Your Sunny is Parivartana from moon, is very good talented person. And your Sunny is viewed by Mars, 4th lord Mars, very good educated person. No need to worry about your sun side. Only slightly problem here, because double malefic Sunny and Mars is viewed is not so good, harming. So you need to push up to your Sun while finishing the course time, because fourth lord Mars, okay, Mars is viewed to your Lagnesh Shani, okay, and present Disha. But your Sun is very clever, more active. Now is Guru Desha and Ketu Bhukti, right? Ketu Bhukti is over. Venus, Guru Venus. See, we have Venus at 11th house, very good indication. Guru, Buddha, Mars. 4th house have Mars, which is viewed by Guru and Buddha. So very good personality, your Sun. No any doubt, he perfectly clear his education part. But only the thing, your Sunny is viewed by Mars and Mars is viewed by Sunny. See, from Cancer is viewed to Mars directly, Aries. This is the problem here. And Mars also viewed to Sunny. And no need to worry, here Moon is exchange from Sunny. Okay, just you activate your Sunny, which is very good for education. In education line, if you want luck produce, just you need to boost up your Lagnesh Lord Sunny, okay, because Lagnesh is the receiving node always. So here Lagnesh is viewed by Padak Mars. Mars is the Padaka here, but your Sun is very talented person. Only the reason fourth lord is placed fourth only. Fourth lord is viewed by Guru as well as Buddha. Guru and Buddha both persons are for education, which two persons are viewed directly. Mars is very good indication for education, but slightly luck is down. Only the reason Mars is viewed to Sunny and Sunny is viewed to Mars. So fourth house is damaged by double malefic. Okay, so must deactivate here. You can't deactivate here for education because of the fourth house. You don't need to. You don't go for deactivate to your Mars. Just to you activate your Sunny, Lagnesh Sunny. Automatically luck is produced in your horoscope. More information you will need, then please contact me how to activate your Lagnesh Sunny, then I will tell you. Okay, Arman Lauji, I said na. Say you are asking time. Prasanna, I am placed Prasanna. In Prasanna chart, Lagnesh is placed 8th house. 8th lord Guru is debilitated, so which is late indication to getting the house. You may place flat, like flat is the not independent house. If you placed flat, then good, because you asking time Rahu is placed in Lagna. Rahu is the traditional type house. Then your sister is take the own house. Okay, Harman Lauji. Okay, more information you need, then please contact me through our Vedic Guruji. Okay, I take another. And anyone is there, please resend your. Okay, Pavan Dorela ji. Pavan ji, I am taking yours. So like Pavan ji, how resend the message, you also need to resend, then only I can take at a time. Pavan ji 16. If you need brother, then please contact me for personal reading. Only one person I need to I need to take only one time 1% to telling, because this is the free reading. So Pawan G 16 11 1951. So only one person I need to tell here, because the free reading, this rule is like from app is telling like only one question you give free. So please don't take bad. One 35 AM, place of birth Patna. Patna Piga. Kevar Lagna, Leo Lagna, Lagnesh is deblated. Ravi is deblated, and Ravi Lord is also deblated. Means Venus also deblated in second house. Buddha is where in your horoscope? Fourth house is very good, because your Buddha and Mars is exchange the positions. House exchange the positions. So you need to take remedy for your Buddha, because today asking time on your second lord and 11th lord Buddha, your Ketu, transist Ketu is placed on Scorpio, and second lord Buddha and 11th lord income, money. Okay, from October onwards slightly problem on your financial condition. I know this, and please boost up to your second lord and 11th lord Buddha, very good in your horoscope. After you taking remedy for Buddha, then slightly improvements in financial condition. Pavandij, more information if you need, then please contact me. Okay, Tanusri, welcome. And anyone is there, please resend your message. I taking within minutes. Okay. And who got the Sarah touch? Once again you resend your message. Okay, I am taking now. Another person I need to take. Wait. Okay, this is the Vedic astrologer. I am talking in front of you from the Vedic Guruji page. I have 20 years experience in this line. So if you want personalized reading, then please connect me through our app. I am waiting for you. Okay. So I need to finish now, because very noisy here. So I want to finish today's session.